Hello, in this video we shall be taking past questions from SSC and UTME. Question 1 is taken from JAM 2013 and it says, a major advantage of the unitary system is A. is distant from people, B. is popular among the masses, C. it is strong and stable, and D. it is free of controversies. Now, the correct answer is C. it is strong and stable. This is because there is strong loyalty to the central authority, which has all the power. Let's move on to question 2, which is also from JAM 2013. It says, the presidential system of government differs from the parliamentary system of government in the sense that A. executive and legislative powers are fused, B. the powers of the three arms of government are merged, C. the tenure of the president is limited, and D. the principle of collective responsibility applies. The correct answer is C. That is, the tenure of the president is limited. Now, in presidential system of government, remember his term is limited to only 4 years. Unlike the parliamentary system, where the prime minister has no fixed tenure, he just keeps getting elected and elected till he gets elected out of office or there's a vote of confidence taken against him. Question 3. A feature of the president is A. he has an indefinite term of office, B. there's a separate election for the executive and the legislature, C. the principle of collective responsibility applies, and D. the president is part of the legislature or is part of the legislative arm. The correct answer is B. There's a separate election for the president, for the executive and the legislature. Now, in the presidential system of government, the principle of separation of power applies, which means the three arms of government are separated. There's the executive, there's the legislature, and there's the judiciary. And each of these people are applied from different ways and different procedures. Let's move on to question 4, which says, confederate system is the confederation, it is also known as confederation. Now, they say confederate system means A. powerful center and weak components, B. weak center and powerful components, C. weak center and weak components, and D. powerful center and powerful components. Now, the correct answer is B. weak center and powerful components. Now, what is confederation system or confederate system? It's a union or a political arrangement where sovereign states come together to form a state on their own, to form a state in one. Now, when these states are formed, the center is just that thing that keeps them together. But aside from that, these sovereign states have their own powers. Power is retained in these sovereign states, so they are basically autonomous and they have a right to secede at any point, which means they maintain every power to operate as a state on their own. And the final question, question 5, says, in federal system, power shared between the center and the components is regarded as A. legislative power, B. exclusive power, C. concurrent power, and D. judicial power. The correct answer is C. concurrent powers. Now, concurrent powers are simply regarded as is the term given to power shared between the central authority and the component system. That's it for characteristics of government. Be sure to check out the advisory and the notes to have a better understanding that will help you in your upcoming examinations.